How to fold the bunny napkin. So take your napkin and fold it in half. Then bring the bottom up to the top again. Place your finger in the center top. Bring the right side down. Repeat that with the left side. Grab the bottom right corner. Fold that up and in. Repeat that with the bottom left corner. Now grab the left corner and bring that in toward the center. Grab the newly right corner. Repeat that process. Flip this over. Take your top corner, fold that down into the middle. Flip this back over. Then you're going to pinch in the exterior edges and tuck those in. And if this doesn't hold, you can use some sort of a clip here as well. And there is your bunny napkin.